rosemary is famously called the herb of remembrance and has long been used as a symbolic way to remember a loved one or event, such as weddings and funerals. It was traditionally used to improve memory, and herbalists often recommend that students smell a sprig while studying and then again smell that sprig while taking their exams. Turning to rosemary to enhance memory is a tradition that goes way back thousands of years, but it's still being studied today. In a double-blinded randomized control trial, 68 students were given either rosemary or a placebo for a month. They were then evaluated in regards to their memory, depression and anxiety levels, and their sleep quality. The researchers concluded that rosemary as a traditional herb could be used to boost prospective and retrospective memory, reduce anxiety and depression, and improve sleep quality in university students. Seriously, I don't know why they aren't handing out rosemary to students on orientation day, and I've thought this before, and I'll think it again. More herbalists should be in charge. Not only does rosemary help with short-term memory, it may also have a role in preventing and addressing Alzheimer's, which affects an estimated 1 in 9 people in the United States over the age of 65 and nearly 44 million people worldwide. In one short-term study, as little as 750 milligrams of dried rosemary had a significant beneficial effect on cognitive function in an elderly population. Another study showed that Alzheimer's patients experienced cognitive benefits by simply smelling the essential oil. So I do want to be clear that no one's claiming that rosemary is a cure for Alzheimer's. However, along with a holistic protocol, it shows promising results for addressing this debilitating disease. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.